In the heart of it, the sun shines bright. Yoh-Tech Solutions guided with light. Futures calling, tech intertwines, building dreams, coding new lines. Yoh-Tech Solutions, powering dreams. In innovation, shining like beams. Together we glow and rise so tall, breaking barriers, breaking the walls. Addis rhythms paint the streets so bold. Yoh-Tech's heartbeat, stories untold. Bytes and pixels, whispers of change. Volumes of progress within our range. Tech that bridges lands and seas. With Yoh-Tech Solutions there's no freeze. Empowering minds one by one, from the dawn till the setting sun. Yoh-Tech Solutions, powering dreams. In innovation, shining like beams. Together we glow and rise so tall, breaking barriers, breaking the walls. Ideas soaring like an eagle's flight. In Yoh-Tech Solutions, future's bright. Crafting tomorrow with skill and heart. A tech legacy that won't depart. Yoh-Tech Solutions, powering dreams. In innovation, shining like beams. Together we glow and rise so tall, breaking barriers, breaking the walls. Ideas soaring like an eagle's flight. In Yoh-Tech Solutions, future's bright. Crafting tomorrow with skill and heart. A tech legacy that won't depart.